Brush up on your dental care with today's professional, featuring Lima Dental Associates, where you'll always receive state-of-the-art technology with state-of-the-heart care.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's professional. Today, Lima Dental Associates. So again, that means in the studio with us is the ever-popular Dr. Wesley Shankland. How are you?
Good morning, George. How are you?
I understand there's something I never heard of you're going to talk about today.
Yeah, a lot of things you probably haven't heard about.
Yeah, well, that's true, too. But I mean, xylitol?
Xylitol. Let's talk about some trends. You know, we talked about tattooing, we talked about piercing, but xylitol is a trend we have in our society, which is not all bad. Xylitol is like a five carbon sugar that you and I can't metabolize. We can't break it down, so it won't cause acid in our mouth, and won't cause tooth decay. And xylitol is a very sweet, it's kind of a sugar alcohol extracted from wood, believe it or not, and it's used in gum and medicines, and it's very good for that. It tastes very sweet, and it won't cause tooth decay, like I said. But it's been used in a lot of things, but we use xylitol a lot for people who have dry mouth. Mm-hmm. You can go to the pharmacy and get Xylomint. I love that. A Xylomint's a little mint you put in your cheek on each side when you sleep at nighttime if you have really dry mouth because of medications or something like that. That's good to use. So that's a trend to use. Xylitol doesn't decay your teeth, but you still should brush your teeth 2 hours, or not 2 hours, 2 hours pretty good too, but 2 minutes a day, twice a day. But also we have these sports drinks today. Yeah. Sports drinks, everybody, especially young people, are drinking those, and they're full of acids and full of sugar. That's why they're so heavy if you pick them up, if you ever noticed that. And I'm not against totally sports drinks. I like a few, but you really need to consume them in a moderate amount because kids today don't have that kind of activity. They have to replenish all those electrolytes all the time. Mm-hmm. So if you drink a lot of sports drinks, make sure, I would say, rinse your mouth out well with water afterwards and wait a little bit and then brush your teeth. Again, 2 minutes twice a day to get all that junk off your teeth. That's the best thing to do, is to clean it off because, again, it's even served in bars today for younger people, and they put vodka and things in these things. But they're full of sugar, full of caffeine, and I'm not all against them, but again, they're so marketed so well that these kids are consuming those materials now in high amounts and need to keep their mouths clean, and this acid will destroy their teeth.
What you're saying is to do it with caution. And,
absolutely, like everything, in moderation and everything.
Moderation, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Just oil pulling, is that the same thing?
Oil pulling is something used just to, we can talk about oil pulling later. Let's just do that later, okay?
As long as we're out of time.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Les.
No, that's my fault.
No. All right, that's a report.